Alright buds, it's been a lot of development, but here it is. This is the GoPro Hero 2024 13 mini case, fully rugged. I've got it where the battery door opens nice and easily. I've got lots and lots of lens protection, beefed up the front end quite a bit so that you've got quite a bit of protection right here. Wanted this corner to be super beefy to protect that lens that's hanging out over the edge just a little bit. All the buttons are accessible, and I'll be making a version that supports the folded up legs, so if you left your finger loops on the bottom, they'll still fold up and slide in here. But if you want this, hit me up, flyhighfpv.com. You can order 13 black and 13 mini cases on the site already. If you are a 3D printer, yes, I will sell you this design. Happy to. It'll continue to evolve as I continue to grow with it. But this is it for now. Door flap pops open, lets the lens out. Lots and lots of lens protection. That's my specialty. Come and get them. flyhighfpv.com. Any frame, any camera, one place.